Evening English speakers, how you doing? In the last video I talked about Teacher's Day, and in the video before that I talked about my birthday. And I noticed something. A lot of people were using the word congratulations to wish me well for my birthday and also for Teacher's Day. But that is wrong. Congratulations in English is not meant to be used that way. We don't use it for just wishing somebody well for any and every kind of special occasion or celebration. Now, I understand that for a lot of you, when you take the word congratulations and you put it through a translation dictionary, in your native language, it's going to come out as the same word that you use for celebrations like birthdays and Teacher's Day. But you've got to keep in mind that English is English and your native language is not English. When you're speaking English, you've got to speak it in English. You can't speak English in your native language, if you know what I mean. And I'm actually working on an accent and pronunciation course where I'm going to go into this in a little bit more detail and explain why this can be a sticking point for a lot of learners. So let me give you an example. In Japanese, the word congratulations is directly translated as omedetou. And this word omedetou is used for New Year's. It's used to wish people on their birthday. It's used to wish people on Teacher's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day. In any kind of celebratory kind of situation, you can use this word omedetou. And it translates directly as congratulations. But notice that in Japanese, it's appropriate to use that word in all of those situations, but it's not appropriate to use congratulations in all of those situations in English. So when exactly do we use congratulations in English? We use congratulations to wish somebody well when they have made effort, tried really hard, worked hard, and completed something successfully or achieved something. So, for example, if someone successfully completes a project at work, we'd say congratulations. If someone graduates from university, we'd say congratulations. They've spent 3 to 4 years studying and finally completed their course and gotten their certificate, so that's an appropriate time to say congratulations. If someone wins a contest or a competition or a race, we'd say congratulations. If someone makes some sort of advancement in their career, it could be a new job or a promotion, we'd say congratulations. You're going to notice that the general pattern there is that we use congratulations to wish someone well on an achievement. One exception to that I can think of right now is marriages or weddings. We do often say congratulations on your wedding, congratulations on getting married. And I'm not sure what to make of that because in my mind, weddings or marriages are not achievements in the same sense as the other examples that we talked about. So if you have any thoughts on that, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments. And also, if you know any other examples or cases where we use congratulations even when it's not an achievement, let me know about that too. So now you probably have a better idea on how to use congratulations, but you might be wondering, what do I say for all those other special occasions, all those other celebrations like birthdays and New Year's and Mother's Day and Father's Day, Teacher's Day? Well, for all those other happy occasions, I kind of dropped a hint there, we just use the word happy. So we'd say happy birthday or happy New Year's, happy Father's Day, happy Teacher's Day, happy Mother's Day, happy Christmas. Well, no, we don't really say happy Christmas. Yeah, for Christmas, that's a bit of a strange one. We use merry instead of happy, but merry means happy. So that's a bit of a weird one. That's English for you. So my last post about Teacher's Day was actually for Teacher's Day in India. But the interesting thing about Teacher's Day is that it's celebrated on a different day in different parts of the world. So I want to hear from you. When is Teacher's Day celebrated in the country where you live? Let me know in the comments below.